tèmi yóò jẹ́ báwọn síbi ọ̀tẹ̀. Ní tèmi yóò jẹ́ báwọn péjọ àbòsí o. Ọwọ́ mi màrè funfun nẹ́nẹ́. Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ. Bóyá kí n sọ pé Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ tàbí Ajakudi ni mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni the truth TV. Èmi bìlì pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá original o, because èmi jẹ́ ń ti bí iṣẹ́ dé ń sìn ni wọ́n send the video tẹ post sórí the truth TV ni wọ́n send ẹ̀ sí mi nípa ọkùnrin tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ajínigbé tó lóun mọ Sunday Igboho rí. Anybody lè mọ anybody rí. Àìmọ̀ èèyàn tó mọ Yorùbáwùyí tí Yorùbáwùyí ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀. And àìmọye ẹni tó máa rí wípé òun wà nínú problem kan ṣùgbọ́n kó lè bá a jáde nínú problem yẹn á pa irọ́ mọ́ ẹni tó mọ̀ pé ó wà lókè. Alimi Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ, I am not here to fight with you or to have any argument with you. But I believe Ajakudi should kindly talk to you. She should just act as a mother to you and talk sense or senses to you. This is getting out of hand. It's getting too much. Any small thing buy, anybody buy, pam, Sunday Igboho le ma mú dání. Kí ni ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Sunday Igboho? Kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe? And you don't even know this is not Sunday Igboho again. Ma ten wo yìí, ó ti kúrò ní Sunday Igboho. Ó ti di bàbá nation. Bàbá àwa kan. A lè máa pe Sunday Igboho Oṣà. Bàbá àwa kan nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Bàbá àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà kan ni Àdìsá ọmọ Aládìkún. I think as a Yoruba man, if you are one, if you are Yoruba, you should imply some respect. Sunday Igboho ti jọ ṣe nígbà kan, ti jọ jà, I don't know whatever tó lè dà yín pọ̀. If there's anything tó bá ń fa ìkùnsínú tàbí ìbínú láàrin síra yín, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ bẹ́ ṣe papọ̀. Ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ bẹ́ jọ ṣe, tẹ́ fi ń ṣoògùn fúnra yín, tẹ́ fi ń gba ògùn lọ́wọ́ ara yín. Tó fi fly láti America lọ bá Nigeria pé kó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣoògùn. Ó normal. Ida wo ló ní kó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣoògùn ni o, ida òun ló ṣoògùn fún ẹni. Ó normal o. There are some things, there are some problems tó yẹ pé medically kò lè cure. Ẹni tí wọ́n sọ láta tó bá gba drip 99, ó ń ṣàwàdà ni. Pure water àwọn mu ni. Ẹni tí wọ́n sà sí tàbí tó má ti straw bọnú ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó ń gba ẹ̀jẹ̀ lọ hospital warm up ló ń ṣe o. Sunday Igboho bá wá ṣe kinní kan ó normal o, má dira o, ikú pa ẹ́. Ó normal. The Truth TV láàárọ̀ yìí sìn wọ́n send ẹ̀ sí mi. Àṣírí Sunday Igboho ti tú o. For how many times will you say àṣírí Sunday Igboho ti tú? Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ sọ pé Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ ló ní The Truth TV. Mo ra àwọn pictures, àwọn post oríṣiríṣi yín bẹ̀. Mo pé ẹnìkan sọ̀rọ̀ pé kinní kan, then ẹ wá attach video yẹn or voice yẹn mọ́ voice ajínigbé tí wọ́n mú. Many of us ni ò ní believe ẹ̀. Many of us ni kò ní believe ẹ̀. And I don't want to go into religion because Islam yẹn kò fi ń sú àwọn èèyàn. People are not even seeing the difference between Islam and fracas. No, yes, I have not seen Ìyá Ọlọ́ṣun, Baba Oníṣàngó taking their self to court. Not even police station. But we have seen many of you, these are fast. Taking yourself to police stations, taking yourself to court, even at a point We see many of you saying, oh, no, I see one, over para one. You, Islam, yen, e kon so di, bakon ni. And me, I have called Oloye, not today. I have talked to him. You should just, yourself, nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn yín. Yes, ìyá tó kú tó jẹ́ yẹ tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ láyé lọ́hùn. She was a Muslim. And even a Muslim till death. Tí ìyá Sunday Igboho fi jáde láyé, ó kírun kú ni o. Ìyá ẹ̀, ara àwọn conk Muslim, tó yẹ pé wọ́n bá fẹ́ lẹ́bọ, wọ́n bá fẹ́ Christian, tí wọ́n ò ní fi ẹ̀sìn wọn sílẹ̀, ó ní ìyá ẹ̀. Maybe tó pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ Islam, ló yẹ kó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀. Àbí tó pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀, ló yẹ kó nífẹ̀ẹ́ Islam. I don't know. And I don't want to intervene in that. I have warned this man privately. I am coming online to say this publicly. That is kókàn jọ̀wọ́ yín. Kólóyè, kókàn ra jọ̀wọ́ yín. Kó fi yín sílẹ̀. You should stop intervening in your religion. Because that religion, there are good Muslims. There are many good. I was once a Muslim. I practiced Islam over 40 good years. Over 4 decades. Over 4 decades. I choose to be a Muslim. Even though I was born by a Christian mother. But I choose to be a Muslim. And I did Islam. I practiced Islam. Not just Islam by name. A practical. Drive me law. Supply or japapa. That's cool. I would tell my driver to park. Mo fẹ́ kírun. But lórí internet náà ni ẹ ti mú gbogbo nǹkan súyàn. Everybody fi ń sá ẹnìkan ò ní àlùjọ́nà ẹnìkan lọ́wọ́, ẹnìkan ò dẹ̀ lọ́rùn ẹnìkan lọ́wọ́. If you are a Muslim, please continue to be a Muslim. And if you want to be a Muslim, please be a good Muslim. A good and a tolerant Muslim. If you want to be a Christian, be the same thing. A good and tolerant Christian. If you want to be oníṣẹ̀ṣe, just be a good one. And if you don't want to do anything, stay on your lane. Now we don't even know what you guys are defending. Are you defending Islam? Are you defending politics? Is it because Okanlomo is APC and Sunday Igboho is PDP? Is it because Sunday Igboho is Elebo and Okanlomo is a Muslim? This is just getting out of hand. I say this as a childish play. But what I say, let me say why you. Bí àtúrẹ́ ẹni mi ò ṣe lọ́rẹ̀. Tó àwọn kan wà tó pé mo kórìíra. Àti dem máa ń wò wí pé mo jù kíní lọ. Àwọn kan tẹ́ ń ṣe, I see it as childish play. Talking online, tí ó bá sí pé Yorùbá nation, pé on pa àwọn èèyàn nílé. Let me also like makon ṣàwàdà even before I join Yorùbá nation. Kíkan pé yẹn tún lu ṣe. Tí ìlú ò bá lè ní Nigeria, I won't come online láti wá ṣe kíni. Mi ò kàwé ni o. I'm a very disciplined person. Mo ní discipline gan. Àwọn kan tó pé mi ò ní ṣe, mi ní bá yín ṣe. And mi dẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kẹ́ dẹ́gbẹ́ mi ṣe. Tí ẹni tó tún wá post láàárọ̀ yìí. Kidnapper ton post yẹn. I am here to. There are some things me I will not even believe because this is online. Ọmọ tí wọ́n pè ní Mabuba, a well-hijabia girl that used hijab from head to toe. On this line, ló ti parọ́ mọ́ mi pé mo gbé òun lọ sí Libya lọ fi òun ṣe aṣẹ́wó. Lórí line yìí ni. Tó dẹ̀ ń bú wàláì, tó ń bú gbogbo ẹ̀. So even kéèyàn gbé irùngbọ̀n, kí irùngbọ̀n ẹ̀ kó ju flower mi yìí lọ. Kó gbé irùngbọ̀n báyìí. Kó wé láwà ní báyìí. If you come to me, the first thing you say, Salam alaikum. If you come to me for 10 people, for 10 reasons, and when you say Salam alaikum, trust me. Immediately you say that word, I have 70% disappointment in you already. I believe. Ele ló fẹ́ pa. Ilé ti tẹ̀gbẹ́ Islam dé lórí internet nìyẹn o. When you say, salam alaikum, mo ti believe 70% of what to so, irọ́. I don't know about other people. If me, a practical Muslim, can now believe that, I mentioned a girl, abi a lady, that's colliding with Eleha tó ń lo aṣọ dúdú bojú ìyá Moru. An Ijabian sister collide with, that's why I say, okay, that be like I said that religion yourself, not before me. Eleha tó bojú, tó bodudu. An Ijabian sister collide with her to lie against me. Once lies against me. Later, àṣírí wọn padà tí wọ́n padà jà, padà tó àṣírí ara wọn. But you want to pamọ́ mi, ṣé tí tó gbà ló máa gbà bọ̀. And Mabuba, I am saying this online for the first time. When she lied against me, lórí internet yìí, torí ọ̀rọ̀ ta lọ́lọ́hun, ẹ ṣèkà. Ẹ dẹ̀ ń ṣera yín ni. Because the more you do this, the more you build more Boko Haram. The more you do this, the more you stain your religion. When Mabuba was doing many videos, even go only one, I have the voice here with me. Then one of my fans, uninvited. And Islam police, Obìnrin, was saying, policewoman, I have the voice with me, was even defending her. I'm like, this is not a country. Nigeria is not a country that is working. How can a police say, because an accused say what lie? Definitely she's saying the truth. Later, somebody picked it up from there again. And she was arrested. They invited me down to Oyo State again. I want to Islamists. I know you guys. Ibi mo fi pamọ́ wa. Ibe ni mo wa. All the names of those people, those online affairs, that's behind immediately. Subhan, I don't want to say that subhanallah. They sent a lawyer down to go and bail her with immediate, because I like to cover shame. I can pick it up from there. Won't be that. If I want to drag it with you guys, I know each and every one of you. Ati Fulani anin won't be re. Timba mini ìjà yín ẹ ní dúró ogun gbọ́. Ma fi ti ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ fún yín, ma tó fi ti gbogbo ba yín fà. O ajé ogun. Mo fi akaye mo fi búra. Mo fi osibole mo fi búra fún yín. Ma tó fi ti gbogbo ba yín fà. Ìjà yín ẹ ní dúró àfà lẹ́yìn. Àfà ni ẹ̀yin àwọ kì í ṣe àfà. Ẹ sakura ku ye mi yan fẹ́ bọ́. Ìjà yín ẹ ní dúró. Ṣùgbọ́n I'm like, our people, I see you guys as riffraffs. I see you guys as riffraffs. Ìyá yín ẹ gbé pé kan fọmọ yẹn sílẹ̀ kan fi Mabuba sílẹ̀ tó fi pé sá lọ sí kíní yẹn. Ìyá yín ẹ ní dúró ogun. Tálẹ̀ mọ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ anybody. Gbogbo yín pátá ẹ mọ̀. I know they see face. I know they see eyes. These eyes don't see many things. Tí ìyá tó bí yín tí ó lè dúró tí ó lè rí. Gbogbo ẹ tẹ́ wà lẹ́yìn pé kan fọmọ yẹn sílẹ̀ mo kàn ń wò yín báyìí pé riffraffs ni. And ó máa tó já lójú yín. Gbogbo àgbàlagbà tó bá ti kọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ kó máa lọ bú àgbàlagbà níta. Tí ọmọ yẹn ò bá bú tó bá rí àgbàlagbà bú mọ́ níta, ó ń padà bọ̀ nlé wá bú bàbá àti ìyá ẹ̀. Ọmọ yẹn ẹ ti build. Even though I was telling her, even though to my face, you see, the truth so that post pé ẹnìkan sọ pé òun ṣe kíní kan Sunday Igboho tutu. Many people, that's why I purposely do this video, for many people not to believe you guys. Even when I called Mabuba, when the police gave phone to Mabuba, I was on phone with her. With her hijab, she was saying, "Elogbe Qur'ani wa." She was saying, "Wa lie ta lie." Wọ́n tó ní àbí mi kọ́ ló àbọ̀ ṣì mi mú ni. But because she have the support of all those Boko Haram Alphas behind her. Many of those you guys are Boko. Because she have the support of all this, I have all your lists, all your names. I have all your lists, all your names. Àmọ́ àgbà. Mi tí yàn bá wẹ̀, làgbà ti máa ń báyàn. Ṣùgbọ́n orí ta fi ṣèwé, kò tí kú Ọlọ́run. Ṣíṣì tó wà lórí nígbà tá wà ní sisi, kò tí kú Ọlọ́run. Ìyá yín ẹ mọ̀ kankan o. Wọ́n sọ me lórí nígbà tí wọ́n òbí yín kú. Ní pa. Ẹ fẹ́ ká yà sí. Wọ́n sọ ẹni wo. Oh, ní fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. So ẹ ṣeré na be ń ṣeré. Ṣùgbọ́n à ń wò pé kíni n tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí, ó ti lágbára gbogbo rádaràda yẹn lọ. And even she was even and I know there's one thing I know about me myself. I said it that day when they did that. I said, "Ní agbára Ọlọ́run ọba tó bá ṣe," and I know I am saying this out. I am saying this publicly. Mo sọ pé Ọlọ́run o. I never called on my God and he resisted. Tó bá ṣe wípé lóòótọ́ ni mo mú ọmọdé lọ sí Libya. Tí wọ́n bude tó kọ́lọ́pàá lọ bá mi bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Tí àwọn kan wá dúró tẹ́yìn ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe ṣọ̀ǹgbè fún. Ọlọ́run bá mi dà wọ́n pọ̀. Náà Ọlọ́run ti ń dà yín pọ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Ẹ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀. I am saying this publicly. Mo bẹ̀ ẹni tó ní mí àyàfi àdàbí tí bá tuwo kí parọ́ mọ́yàn báyìí. Àbí tí bá rí ẹni tó gbé wà kalẹ̀. I was telling that girl, ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ yín. I told her, mi ò níyà kankan tí mo fẹ́ fi jẹ. I just want you to make a video. Kini? Ìdá ìṣe yẹn ẹ pè lọ́yà. Ẹ̀yin kọ́ lè máa pè lọ́yà. Ògún gbọ́. Gbogbo fìrákù yẹn kọ́ lè máa ẹ̀yin wo kíni yín ta lẹ jẹ́ nínú ayé. Ẹ jẹ́ nada. Nada. But because Nigerian system is not working. Nigerian system is not working. Ni ìròyìn ṣe ríra yín bí nǹkan kan. Ìlú tí afọ́jú bá wà, afọ́jú bá pọ̀ sí, olójú kan máa ń ṣe bí ọba ni. Tó pé Nigeria is not working. Lẹ ṣe ríra yín bí ẹni pé jẹ́ anything. Mo wá lọ́mọ yẹn wípé ọmọ yẹn náà kò jẹ́ nǹkan kan nínú ayé. Tó bá yẹ pé mo tó yẹ pé mo rí pé ó ní owó àbáwọn family ẹ̀ ní owó ni. Mo bí ti though I reported her here. I reported her in American BB and I took her pictures and videos. Go see necessary places in American BB. To have American BB, o ma try. O ma try. Tó bá ṣe pé ìlú tó ń ṣiṣẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ rí fraps yẹn ẹ ní jẹ́ nǹkan kan. Ìlú tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ ló fún yín láyè. Tẹ́ fi ń ṣe pálapàla tẹ́ ń ṣe. Nigeria is not an Islamic country where you will mobilize some youth láti máa ṣe rádaràda lórí internet and you will be backing them up. Mo sọ fọba tó ní mí. And ẹ lọ́kọ ẹni date ní sílẹ̀. Kí ni date ní? Ṣé ń bọ̀ láti mo ṣe ń dé láti bí ṣẹ́ ni. Today is January 27, 2024. Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi. New York time is 10:53 a.m. Àárọ̀ la wà. Gbogbo tí ọmọ yẹn sọ pé mo fi mú ṣe ní àṣẹ ọba tó ní mí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa pàdé ẹni tó máa fi ṣe nínú ayé yìí. Ẹ lọ kọ sílẹ̀ o. And mo rí pé ìkan pè sọ́dọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ àfáà kan nígbà kan nípa mi. Àfáà tó pè sọ́dọ̀ yín yẹn ṣe save number ẹ̀. Ẹni kó lọ béèrè. Gbogbo èèyàn kọ́ lèèyàn máa ń yàn jẹ. Gbogbo èèyàn kọ́ lèèyàn máa ń bú. Gbogbo èèyàn kọ́ lèèyàn máa ń parọ́ mọ́. Àwọn kan wà tó bá yàn wọ́n jẹ wọ́n á sọ fọ́lọ́run. And I am one of Ẹ̀yinjú Elédùmarè. I do say this every time. Ọmọ yẹn ẹ lọ kọ sílẹ̀. I repeat, today is 27th of January 2024. Gbogbo ohun tó sọ pé mo fi mú ṣe nínú ayé, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa pàdé ẹni tó máa fi ṣe. Ẹ lọ kọ sílẹ̀ ní mo ẹ kọ orúkọ mi, ẹ kọ date yín sí, ẹ fi time sí, ẹ forúkọ mi sí. Gbogbo ohun tó sọ pé mo ní irọ́ tó pamọ́ mi nítorí pé mo sọ fún pé mi ò but when kọ́lọ́pàá lọ invite her. I told her, I spoke on phone with her. Ṣé mi no le mi ni? Kí ló kọ mi Ola Biola? Because I mentioned my name Abiola on phone. You don't even know how that Abiola come. She believes I'm in Libya. Mi ò dé Libya rí. I told her, make a video, not just for today. I have èmi ò gbé bí ta lọ́lọ́run. Ọmọ mo lè gbé. Mo ibi tó wà nísìn. Níbi tó ti ṣọmọdọ̀ ní tó ti ṣàgálà nísìn. Èmi mo sọ fún àwọn tó lọ gbé. I see, inú ayé láyé ń gbé. Inú ayé báyìí, ayé èyàn lè gbé èyàn mi. Èyàn alagba á dẹ̀ mi èyàn ẹgbẹ́. Inú ayé láyé ń gbé. Èmi mo sọ fún àwọn authority pé ibi báyìí ló wà nísìn. They play. But mo wò pé I have told Olódùmarè wípé ọmọdé yìí mo sọ fún pé mi ò fẹ́ gbé ẹ. Mi fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ fa wàhálà kankan. Just go online, make 2 minutes video or 1 minute video. Yorùbáwùyí gbé mi lọ sí Libya o. And she said, you let gbé mi lọ because she have support of all this Boko Haram. Ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Ní àṣẹ Olódùmarè gbogbo gita ti yan jẹ. Ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Things will continue that way. How was it been? And you guys, at the end of the day, at the end of the time, you will have nowhere to hide. Torí Ọlọ́run ò bí ọmọ, ṣùgbọ́n ó bí ẹ̀san. Ẹ̀san ò dẹ̀ gbógun. Gbogbo orí kọ́ ló ṣe máa parọ́ mọ́. If that girl, as I said, make a video, tender an apology, Yorùbáwùyí ò gbé mi lọ sí Libya o. Bóyá kíní kan ló ṣe kíní kan o, àbí kíní kan o. Fine. Next time, you know that girl will not do that to another person. Did you know that? She will never try to do it to another person. Because how to batun shele nsin, wa tun ni kon tun lọ tọrọ àforíjì. O ma di nuisance. But you guys back her up. So ọ̀la tí wọ́n bá gbé ìbọn fún, àbí tó bá fún ní wọ́n kó so mọ́ra. A so mọ́ra. Because she will believe you guys will side her. Nigeria ten building here. This is why we are agitating for Yoruba nation. We don't want Nigeria te mama so àwọn ọmọ di olórí burúkú. Because now, ti sọ ọmọ yẹn di olórí burúkú. Yeah. One, todo mi tó ṣe mo ti sọ pé Ọlọ́run pé nínú ayé kò ní escape we. Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi. Kò kí n ṣe ogun. Anyway, tí mo bá ń ṣe, mo bá yàn ṣe báyìí, I would like to be plain with you. Mo ko ma fẹ́ ṣe mo máa ṣe pẹ̀lú òótọ́ pẹ̀lú ẹ. I love being plain, being truthful to people. Tó bá ṣe mo lè pe àdàbí lé ẹ lórí. Oore ni mo ṣe ìyá hun sí kíní kan mo dá ọmọ kíní kan my way of making video. Ẹ bá mi ṣàánú orí àjẹfẹ́ clive ló ń lò. And she lied against me. And you ṣá fa tí ẹ ń ṣàlùfà pàápàá. Bóyá kíní ká pè yín. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ nǹkan kan nínú ayé. You think you supported her? Support her. God bless Saheed Òṣùpá. Saheed Òṣùpá sọ pé tí mo bá jẹ̀bi màmá mi á bá mi wí. Bí mo bá jàre màmá mi á bá mi wí. Mo wá ní kí ló dé màmá tó fi máa ń bá mi wí. Ó wá ní ìwọ ọmọ mi torí pé ìjà ò dọ́là. Àti pé nítorí èní kọ́. Ìwọ ọmọ mi nítorí ọ̀la ni. Ọmọ yẹn ẹ ti bà ayé ẹ ti fi jàǹbá bà ayé ẹ jẹ́. Tó bá fẹ́ ọkọ, ó máa rí irọ́ pípa, jàǹbá fìtínà. Ó máa rí bí normal thing. Tó bá fẹ́ ọkọ, anything tọ́kọ ẹ bá ṣe, ọ̀nà tó máa fi bá tọ́kọ ẹ jẹ́ pẹ̀lú irọ́ ló máa wá. Àbúrò ọkọ, ẹ̀gbọ́n ọkọ, bàbá ọkọ, ìyá ọkọ, ìdílé ọkọ tó bá ti ní ọkọ, wọ́n ti ṣe àgbákò. Because ẹ ti kó bá. Ẹ ti jẹ́ kó rí pé ìbanilórúkọ jẹ́, ẹ ti jẹ́ kó rí bí nǹkan dáadáa. Ẹ ti jẹ́ kó rí pé yes normal thing ni. Ó lè bàyàn lórúkọ jẹ́, ó lè ṣe nǹkan tó bá hùn. Tó bá bí ọmọ, láàárín àwọn ọmọ tó bá bí, ó máa dàárín wọn rú. Tó bá pẹ́ tó bá yá, ọmọ yẹn á padà ṣẹ́ ìpèlè yín. Ẹ rò bóyá help ẹ lẹ́ni ni o. Ọ̀la á padà máa pè yín lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan báyìí. àti disguise Fúlàní àárín tó ń ṣe bí Yorùbá àti tó pèrè ní Yorùbá that one ìyẹn mo tẹ̀ máa ń fún ní regard because mo bíyà èèyàn kan ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ don't know. Since then I'm like, I have the list of you guys. Everything you do, I have the list of. I belong in your car. I don't belong in me. That I'm like, so in your jack pere jack in your last sign in your city la wele. Èló lẹ fún lawyer. Gbogbo teyin epete papọ̀ tẹ́ ṣe èló lẹ ná. I have all the list with me. Gba pé obìnrin lè mi nínú ayé ni. Bàbá mi ní tọkùnrin bá so aṣọ tó bá dìde aṣọ ṣòkòtò ẹ̀ kó le. A ní ìlú yìí ò ní tú. Obìnrin a máa tú ṣá máa ronú tó bá lè tú kó tú a máa tún tò tó bá lè tú kó tú a máa tún tò. Ó ní mo lè sọ pé gbẹ̀yìn tẹ́ ń flag show yìí. Flag tó. Táwọn tó ń wò mí tán bá lè telephone like button kó fi lọ sókè. Tó bá allow you can flag ẹ̀. Tó bá flag down, I will still come back. Problem tẹ́ mo pẹ̀lẹ́ mi nìyẹn o. When I'm ready for you, I'm ready for you. Mo ní agídí gan. I will still come back and I will still complete the show. Mo ṣe wá fi wákàtí pé Ajakudi kó bá Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ sọ̀rọ̀. The way things is going, lórí the Truth TV. Men like me, when I see the Truth TV and I see like that Arabic words or anything anyway, I know every I don't want to see this any page I see. I'm like, I don't want to see the page. I'm like, you don't want Pambe. We will be continue seeing you as Oniro. If there's any way, they Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ àti Sunday go back to join ní panta. Àbí wọ́n jọ ní nǹkan kan. If at all, tó bá wà. If not propaganda, because we all know everything is propaganda. If there's anything, Ajakudi, please call Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ to order. Please call Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ to order. I want to say the Truth TV, if they are doing it on behalf of Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ, Ajakudi, please speak to them. Tell them, your man wa ọ̀rẹ́ kún ọ̀rẹ́ ni. Your kan kí n wọ́takọ́ta o. Your man wa ọ̀rẹ́ kún ọ̀rẹ́ ni. Your kí n wá ọ̀takọ́ta. Somebody don't find anything or anything. Anybody share video. There are many videos. Many videos that I have with me. Or Facebook will allow. See how far. To report the page me. With the help of some alphas. And you want me to believe that kind of religion? No, it's not done. If there's any way, today Sunday Igboho àti bá ti ní nǹkan kan papọ̀, just give the respect of him standing up one day. Pé ẹ má pa àwọn Yorùbá mọ́, tó sọ di èrò ẹ̀yin odi. Just give that respect of that one day. Tó sọ di èrò ẹ̀yin odi. Call him. Talk to him. Olóyè, bye. If you pick your phone, fine. If you do not pick your phone, good. What about me? To somebody alone. Keep quiet. I know all this are how they bombard me, and I'm like, I'm going to come out and take it. Back of in cruise. I want more to you that I want to gbé Olúgbòhùn jáde fún mi. Mo fọlọ́run bá búra mo lè ní kon kú. Wọ́n dẹ̀ kú. Mo lè ní kon sinwin, wọ́n dẹ̀ máa sinwin. Àwọn ọmọ kékèké àfà. Because when they do evil, you guys encourage them. That is just the issue. Bóyá àwọn bàbá wọn, wọ́n ti ń bá tèèyàn. Àwọn àfà méjì tán gbógun jáde yẹn. I have their videos, I have their everything. They don't even know I have gone online with them. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn tó máa lọ wò wọ́n dáadáa, àwọn bàbá wọn ń pààyàn. Àwọn àfà tí wọ́n kọ́ wọn ní kéwú, wọ́n ti ń bá tèèyàn jẹ́ tipẹ́. And they see it as a normal thing. Wọ́n rí bí normal thing. Nígbà wọ́n ṣe ń perú mi tí wọ́n ń gbé Olúgbòhùn jáde. mo lè ní kàn rìn lọ wọ́n dẹ̀ máa rìn lọ. I'm like, mo kàn fi wọ́n pass cruise torí mo kàn fẹ́ show wọn fún ayé. Ó ti show pé àwọn bàbá wọn ń bá tèèyàn jẹ́ lójú wọn. Wọ́n ṣe ní audacity. Wọ́n ṣe ní ọkàn láti pè mí. Hello, Yorùbáwùyí, àfà àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ tọ́ nìyẹn. Ó kọ́kọ́ bu gbàjẹ̀gẹ̀jà ó kọ́kọ́ bu ògógóró sẹ́nu. Àfà àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ only so I put Lawani. I posted what my saying follow me or you see me for the first time. Go on my page. I posted only Lawani ori e to buy. Wọ́n kọ bu go say Oya bopate èmi ò lóògùn ṣùgbọ́n mo ní tó jogun lọ. Mo ní ọba tó wà lẹ́yìn mi. Bínú ṣe bí mi jọ yẹn tí má fi bínú yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ sínú ayé wọn. Wọ́n ní escape well. Kò kìí ṣogun. Ọ̀rọ̀ ogun kọ́. I was gifted. But I am gifted with that. Kò kìí ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ogun. Ọlọ́run dédé fún mi ní. Mo kàn fi wọ́n ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ń jọ yẹn. Ara àwọn tí ẹ ń bí kalẹ̀ nìyẹn. Àfáà kan náà ṣe ní jábàjàbá ń jẹ́ tó bẹ́ta. Ìyẹn tẹ́ kó pò kọ́ sẹ́kẹ̀ẹ́ kò gbé mú kò tú kalẹ̀. Ẹgbọ́ta ń gbẹ́fẹ́ fi Yorùbá. Orí péjì yìí la orí Facebook yìí la wà. Tá àfáà kan bọ́ta tó ní máa fi ẹgbà ránkì wájú Ọlọ́run lẹ́nu àfáà. Kí ni ìyẹpẹrẹ ń gbà yẹn? Àgbáyé. Agbẹ́sìnga àgbáyé. I will repost that video. Wọ́n lè mọ̀ wípé ìyẹn ogún ọdún gbóná. I keep everything with me. Not to harm them. But fortunately or unfortunately or I don't know how to put it, my children might meet with their children. And they want to have anything to do, either marriage, either business, either kinikon, and I'm lucky to ask them, ọmọ ta ni bàbá mi don pè ní Agbẹ́sìnga àgbáyé nígbà kan lórí Facebook. I'm like, what? Not here. Iwájú. When Kwara say wọ́jú, I will say wọ́jú. And nobody can. I'm going to bring out the video. This is where your father is saying, so my family and their family will not even do anything together. No, not in this life. Even many of my family have it with them. This is Alpha. This conflicted many of my family from, I'm like, I don't want to do this religion again. Even many of my fans, when they see that, no, this is not religion. Is this the way? See, Mama didn't come along every time. I'm Sunday Igboho dání. Kologun, wọ́n gé ní fún ni, wọ́n gé. Ṣé mo hear chairman PDP, wọ́n ti gbé chairman lọ lẹ́nu. Ẹ ti gbọ́. Is this the way we will continue? The Truth TV. Anybody, why they admin there? I am not commanding you. I am just advising you. Actually, Sunday Igboho ti tú o, ti gbé Sunday Igboho lọ́mú o, wọ́n ti gbé lẹ́pọ̀n o. It's just too childish. And it will make many of us come on. Even many people will say, I don't send the thing Yorùbáwùyí ó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. People will say, you said so. Abajo, you sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, they sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. They sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Let everybody am so. Aja, could you please call Okanlomo? Talk to him. Tí ó bá gbà. Ẹ pa àwọn tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé wọ́n súnmọ́. Admit wà ní di kíní yẹn. I am not saying they should not continue. I am not saying this authority leave the abandonment. I am not saying this with authority. I am not saying this with commanding. I am just advising you guys. Ẹ jẹ́ kó gun omi. Ìyà tó ń jẹ wá nílẹ̀ yìí ó pọ̀. Even àwátá ẹ wojú mi bó ṣe pọ́n mi ò tí sùn látànù. A wà nílùú òyìnbó. O lè dóko nígbà tó bá wọ̀n. Yeah. Obìnrin wo ló wà nílùú òyìnbó tó lè fọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé àsìkò tó wùn lòun dóko. Ọkọ á lọ bí iṣẹ́ láàárọ̀, ìyàwó á lọ bí iṣẹ́ lálẹ́. ìyàwó á lọ bí iṣẹ́ láàárọ̀, ọkọ á lọ bí iṣẹ́ lálẹ́, mọ́tò ọkọ á máa lọ báyìí tí ìyàwó á máa wọlé. And we work around the clocks, we use that money to pay bills. Yet we have many of our politicians digging the ground. Wọ́n gbẹ́ ilẹ̀ láti bíbí dé Sóbí. Láti Taiwo Road, wọ́n gbẹ́ dé Òkè Sóbí. Wọ́n gbẹ́ ilẹ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ sin owó sínú ẹ̀. Wọ́n sin owó sínú ẹ̀. Many times mo wá ń bọ̀ pé àwọn politicians wa ó possible kan máa wọ̀nà. Tí iná bá wà, ó possible kan àwọn politicians wa máa wọ̀nà. Because we are not together to tell, and I'm not saying we should gather together to fight them. The poor, we are not together to tell them ebi ń pa wá. Àwa tá wà Nigeria, ebi ń pa wá. Ìyà ń jẹ wá. Owó wà ń lù. Even àwọn boko, àwọn ajínigbé, they are even more industrious than àwọn olóṣèlú wa. Ajínigbé máa jí èèyàn yọkan, wọ́n gba 50 million. Wọ́n fowó yẹn lọ ra another ìbọn àti ọta, wọ́n tún employ àwọn èèyàn. Tó máa gbé lómi, wọ́n gba 70 million. They are àwọn ajínigbé wọ́n develop ní Nigeria. Yet àwọn olóṣèlú wa owó tó wà lọ́wọ́ wọn tó yẹ kí èmi, despite Okanlomo is a politician, APC, YORUBAWUYI is a Yoruba nation, another people. Okanlomo is good in Arabic way, Islamic way. Instead of Okanlomo to come out, pé ebi ń pa wá. Ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú, ìyà ń jẹ wá. Eléyìí pọ̀ fún wa. Okanlomo mọ nǹkan tó ń gbé nílùú. All this jalabia, you can only wear it in his room. Àsìkò yìí, Okanlomo cannot wear the jalabia outside. He will just wear it in his room to make video and go outside with jackets. In layers, jacket in layers. Nínú yàrá, ẹ̀tàn heater. Nínú mọ́tò, ẹ̀tàn heater, which is not good for our heads. Àsìkò ooru, ẹ̀tàn AC nínú yàrá, AC too much of AC might develop liver èèyàn tóbi ni. Many of the things, instead of Okanlomo to come outside, speak the Arabic, instead of YORUBAWUYI to come outside, hey, Okanlomo is here fighting YORUBAWUYI. YORUBAWUYI is here fighting Okanlomo. Then, if our politicians, tí wọ́n bá ń kó owó, tí wọ́n rí mọ́lẹ̀, tí wọ́n bá ń kó owó, tí wọ́n kó lọ sa abroad, tí wọ́n lọ gbé owó sínú banks oríṣiríṣi, wọn ní wọná. Yes, if I am one of those people that will judge them, I will just tell them to go straight to Alujono to go and enjoy again. Yes. And I will tell Nigerians, oh yeah, eti jaya ní Nigeria, oh yeah, to padà sínú iná, tún lọ jaya nínú iná. Yeah. Kò sí ẹni tó máa rí ẹsẹ̀ wèrè tí ò ní bùṣọ ogun. Ọlọ́gbọ́n ni ò ní gbé ẹsẹ̀ tiẹ̀ sílẹ̀. If you are wise and brave enough, àwọn politicians yìí náà, àwọn náà ò sẹ́wọ́n. Even in the comment section, we see comment àwọn èèyàn, bí jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ìsìn àwọn comment section tó ń sọ rádaràda, mo rí comment ẹ̀. And àwọn politicians, àwọn SA wọn, àwọn PA wọn, àwọn náà wà níbí, wọ́n rí comment ẹ̀. And they will look like, oh, YORUBAWUYI, wàhálà woman yìí pọ̀. Àwọn ẹranko tí ó ń gbèjà, àwọn náà kan náà ń bu ní comment section yẹn. Yes. Eloni, so give me a second, please. In fact, Nigerians, I don't know, maybe I don't even know. Many people are just so dumb. Let me see. Yes, lórí tap send. $1 is 1,375 naira. $1. Tí ó tó ọmọ ra ṣinṣin is 1,375 naira. Lórí tap send. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti download, ẹ lọ download. Ẹ lo promo code mi Abiola TTS. Kẹ́ gba $10 free bonus ní first transaction yín. $1 is 1,372 naira. And Okanlomo and YORUBAWUYI, ọmọ tálíkà lásán. Ọmọ kò léyàn, ọmọ tí àwọn bí ẹ̀wù jẹ́ nǹkan kan ní Okanlomo àti YORUBAWUYI. àwọn náà wá ń bára wọn jà. Chairman tó gbé láàárọ̀ yìí, tó gbé lánàá, wọ́n béèrè 200 million. 200 Lagos State chairman, 200 million naira ni wọ́n béèrè. You think they will not give it out? You think they will? Tó bá di parangida, wọ́n kó 200 million naira yẹn. Wọ́n kó fún wọn just to save chairman and all the executive about wọn chieftaincy tó kù. The chairman will be out. Ta ló máa jẹ 200 million yẹn? Èmi àti ẹ̀yin ni. Èmi àti yín la máa jẹ. Aya, inú ń bí mi bet mi fẹ́ fi bínú sọ̀rọ̀. Because àwọn èèyàn ṣe bí domi ní Nigeria, wọ́n ṣe bí vampires. Gbogbo àjẹ́ tó pààyàn jẹ́ kó ló máa wọ̀nà. Ó possible kẹ́ ẹni tí wọ́n pa kó tún wọ̀nà. That is just the issue. Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ àti Yorùbáwùyí wá ń búra wọn. Yorùbáwùyí, ìwọ ẹlẹ́bọ, ó máa ṣe kíní kan ní Ọ̀kanlọ́mọ, àfàyàgbẹ́. And they are here watching me. Our politicians are here. Many of them are my followers. They are here watching me. And they will be laughing. Àwọn wèrè tún ti. Olórí ibú làwọn tálíkà yìí orí wọn tiẹ̀ wá pé. Àwọn wèrè. Ọdún ti ṣe normal. Ìwà wọn nìyẹn olórí ibú. Jẹ́ ká máa jà lọ. There is a video of a politician circulating online. Tóra kí ni máa ń pè tó máa wà nùgò yẹn 36 million. Ni wọ́n pè ọtí yẹn 36 million. Ọtí ẹyọ kan àbí 36 million náà ni àbí 26 million. Ni wọ́n pè ìgò ọtí yẹn ẹyọ kan. Bí 20 ní dọ́là ló fi rà o. Tó ṣe equivalent 26 million. Nigerian politician. The video circulates online. I have it with me. I just keep it and I was like, and I will come online with Talika. Two Talikas fighting each other. Yeah, mole boy. Talika and Talika mole. Chet jawere ni. Mati e mole. Odukan oni bombe. Mole boy. Kini achievement here? I'm a politician too to fly private jets. They have mansions in Dubai. Mansions in America, all part of the world. They are enjoying their life. Owó ta no no. Owó èmi àti ẹ tá ń rìn lórí internet. Owó èmi àti ẹ tí à ń rìn lórí internet tá ń jà. Ẹlòmíì gbogbo tó l'account ẹ bóyá ló èmi tẹni ṣé mi ní $3,000 l'account mi ṣe wà. 3,000 mi ò ní. Mi sọ pé mo ní $2,000 l'account bí mi ṣe jókòó yìí. Ani ẹ lọ tẹnìkan wálé, ẹ lọ san 5 million torí kíni. Ẹ wá ń tira ìmọ́lẹ̀, wá ń gba lọ́yà. Does that mean saying actually Sunday Igboho ti tú o, ẹ fẹ́ fi create a crowd? You think many people will even unfollow that page. Many people, because to me, I don't think if I love you and somebody is just trying to do any propaganda. If I've been following, but if I've been following you and you are trying to, I will page this page is full of propaganda, I will just unfollow you. So I will not see your notification. I will not watch you. And things will be like that. I'm just going to read this comment out. Somebody said, yeah, so 200 million tó máa san yẹn. Èmi àti yín ni. Ayesi. Ọ̀nà tán ní kàn ṣe fún wa títí tí ò dá. Wọ́n kówé fún àwọn kidnapper. Wọ́n kówé fún wọn. Tó bá dé dọ́là, chairman ò ní wọ mọ́tò. I am a fly jet. Now when you be chairman Lagos State, listen, many people mi ò lè wọ kíní mọ́. Anyway, tó máa fẹ́ lọ meeting náà lọ fún. And I will not blame them. Talika ló sanwó Nigeria, Talika ló ya wèrè, Talika ni ògbọ́n. Ebi ti pa Talika ní jáde pé wọn ò ní làákàyè mọ́. Many will just and they will not even go with buses again. Anyway, tó bá fẹ́ lọ, tó bá pa allocation wọn pé traveling allowance wọn. Wọ́n fún wọn ní 1,000 naira fún traveling allowance. what did you chairman kini kan gbe mi ò gba 1000 allowance mo o mo fẹ́ lọ wọ jet ni o, and when they are going with jet e mo ko wa tún gbé olóṣó internationally dání, and they will put allocation like 5,000 naira from 1,000. And who are you to challenge them? We don't even have chance to challenge them. Oh, ráyè wà lórí Facebook. Kí ni Sunday Igboho ṣe? Kí ni Yorùbáwùyí tún sọ? Ah, àwọn Yorùbáwùyí yẹ. Are they really enjoying their life? To go ti rẹ́sẹ̀ wèrè, wọ́n máa bù ṣoògùn o. Ọlọ́gbọ́n kankan kò ní gbé tiẹ̀ lẹ̀. Díẹ̀ àbọ̀rọ̀ lásán fún ọmọlúwàbí tó bá dénú ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kó dòdìdì. All these our politicians, 75% of our politicians were raised in civilized country where you don't even try it. That if you are Jaralu, many of them studied in America, in Europe, China, most of it not Europe countries and America. Ni many of them ti kàwé. Tí wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ bí ìlú yẹn ṣe rí, how develop that countries are. Transportation sectors, security, health sector. A country where our doctors are running away. We have many pet doctors, woman doctors here. We have many surgeons here. Tí wọ́n for gutter. Yes, Nigerian surgeons are here washing gutter, cleaning houses for damn illiterates. Yes, but one we can walk away. Many of them we did not learn for their surgeons. It's only a mortalical surgeons that can be that. Our Molowo surgeons, even if their children will be surgeons, they are here spending dollars in club here. Àwọn man jaye one Nigeria, àwọn man jaye one nílùú òyìnbó bíbí. All this our baba, Kọ́dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún, ibo ni wọ́n ti kàwé. Ejina Ṣèyí Mákindé, Sanwó-Olú, even Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu or Adeleke. Mention their names. Ibo ni wọ́n ti kàwé. Fashola Nko, Gbajabiamila. Wọ́n wá sí Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá, wọ́n wá sí civilized country. Ibi ẹni pé wọ́n lọ ságége sóyìnbó ni. They make their money. Insecurity ò lè kan, táyé máa fi parẹ́. Insecurity ò lè kan many of them. Má tàn rẹ̀. Tí ìyàwó wọn bá ń lọ sí ọjà lọ ra ata, plane ló máa gbé lọ. Even if to fellow soldier, because they deliver everything and they don't even pay for it. They deliver everything to their dormant, to their dormant to be more to a school. Pẹ́jọ ti wà gbẹ́yìnbó. A máa sọ Yorùbá. Dino Atiku ńkọ́? Dino, Senator of Nigeria, Senator of Nigeria. Atiku, ex-president. And also contest for president. They have their mansions in Dubai. If Nigeria is safe for them, they wouldn't have gone to Dubai. They would rather stay in Nigeria, where the weather is nice and good. The best weather near Agbaye, Nigeria, Loa. Yet they choose Dubai, where they pay every tax with your money. Wake up, Omotalika beat me. They deliver everything to their doorstep, so you are there. Kini problem with? And you think Nigeria will be better? Let me tell you why Nigeria will not be good. Why Nigeria will not be good? Just let me tell you. A transportation minister will never go in his car or railway, public railway, or be public train to anywhere. Your transportation minister will fly jets. Then how will your transportation road minister knows people or no that? Some of them fly jets to my no, he will not know. Many of them are watching on the internet. Instead of ọ̀nà agbẹ́gilére ní o, ẹwọ̀ náà wà kó dá o. Many of them are washing. No be yen o da o. Ta ni minister kini kan tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn. But you don't say it. You are here fighting yourself. Your education minister. Education will never be good in Nigeria. You know why? Your education minister be ministress ni. Mi ò gbéyìnbó, pressure ti wà o. We put our children see America, see Europe countries, kí wọ́n lọ kàwé. So even though if universities try from today to next year, kò ní affect ẹ. Kò ní bàbá wo lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ wọn, bàbá Jákàndé àwọn ọmọ wọn. Àtọ́ wà ní government àwọn ọmọ wọn kàwé ní school ní Nigeria ni. But education minister, àwọn ọmọ tí ẹ lóyìnbó ni wọ́n ti ń kàwé. And you think that is like she will not even feel the pain. That is just the problem. Kò ní feel the pain. Strike àwọn ọmọ lọ school. She will not feel it. And you don't even come online to say, àwọn ọmọ wa orílẹ̀ ìwé lọ. Fracas là ń wò lórí. Àwọn náà ń wò yín o. Àwọn náà rẹ́rìn. Olórí ibú làwọn tálíkà yìí o. They make my day. Ìyá kíní ó ti mú bàbá kíní. Àwọn tálíkà yìí wọ́n lè kú rẹ̀. Olórí ibú ni wọ́n. They will be laughing. They will be cruising with your videos. Eléyìí tí mò ń ṣe iná wọ́n ń wò mí. And they'll be like, Yorùbáwùyí, ọmọbìnrin yorí ò jẹ́ kí máa ń pé. Every time wọ́n bá wọn sọ tọ̀rọ̀, àwọn tí gidi kan etí wọn. Minister of Education, àwọn ẹ̀wà ń do òyìnbó tán kàwé. Minister of Road will fly private jet. Minister of Health, kò ní sick kó lo paracetamol. Piu! Oh Lord, Dubai lọ gba treatment, Asia country, France, America, London. The Minister of Health, even our president. We rather fly to other countries. That's like treatment. And trust me, what you don't know, many of these ministers traveling abroad, láti gba treatment, hospital tí wọ́n lò, many of them àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, ni surgeons, ni doctors, the the best doctor in the world. Ẹ lọ Google orúkọ ẹ̀. Number 1 to 10, ẹ lọ wò. Tẹ́ bá ní máa rí Adéwùnmí, Oyètọ́lá, Ògúnṣagí, Ìníkan, Olúṣọlá, tẹ́ bá ní máa rí ńbẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ tí yín ẹ̀dá wọn nù. Minister of Arts and Culture, suit ló máa wọ̀. Minister of Arts and Culture fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá, suit ló máa wọ̀. Yorùbá meeting ni o, ní kíníkan, òyìnbó náà máa sọ ńbẹ̀. And instead of YORUBAWUYI and OKANLOMO to come out and tell them, ẹ má bójú wa jẹ́. I know Tinubu is in France, bàbá ti lọ France. Bàbá máa jayé kú ni. Ayan máa ń dán kú ni. Ayé ni irú mọ́lẹ̀ máa ń jẹ kú. Àkànbí ọmọ lódòdó ó máa jayé kú ni. They play. Ayan máa ń dán kú ni. Bá mi wo ọmọ ìyá mi. Gbà tí wọ́n campaign. OKANLOMO campaign. Miwolaka campaign. Adebuhari campaign. Yinka TNT campaign. Olamide campaign. I will not campaign. Many of you, they campaign fún ẹ lọ Abuja ẹ lọ gbogbo ẹ. Àbí ẹ lọ. Ẹ campaign fún ẹ lọ. Nígbà tí wọ́n débẹ̀. Bàbá fẹ́ travel ńjọ́ wò. Bàbá táwọn ta ló travel. Àtàwọn ta ni. Badoski. Eniola Badmus, ọmọ Yemi. Ọmọ Yemi wúlẹ̀ bàǹsù tó ti nílẹ̀ pa. Àwọn Eniola Badmus ni wọ́n kó travel. And even if there's any contract, wọ́n ní fún yín o. Get that to your head. You are ọmọ tálíkà. Yes. Just put that in your score. And in the 27th of January 2024, you are ọmọ tálíkà. Wọ́n lè fún ìwọ bá o. Mi lè sọ o. Tí lucky ẹ bá shine. Tápọ̀ tí ẹ wọ bí kan. Àwọn Eniola Badmus wọ́n jọ ń lọ sígbà lọ sáwò oríṣiríṣi wọn tí wọ́n ti wà lókè. Ayé òkè ń bá aládánwò ṣe o. Tálíkà lẹ Nàìjíríà ẹ ti di aládánwò. mo kára mi kún yín because tálíkà lèmi náà. Ìyá ò ní, bàbá ò ní, èmi náà ò ní. Àbí you think I have money? Wo, látànà, wojú mi, bó ṣe pọ́n, mi ò tí sùn. At the end of the day, èló ni iṣẹ́ tí mo lọ ṣe tí mi fi sùn. Àwọn politicians stand so. When they wake up for 30 minutes, wọ́n ṣe meeting wọn with biro, millions of dollars ni wọ́n máa gbà. Nigeria ni obìnrin ti ra kọ́mú $1.2 million. Ìlú kan ní Spanish place mi fẹ́ dárúkọ ẹ̀. Owó tí politician Nigeria kan jí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ ìlú yẹn máa kọ síbẹ̀. Owó tí politician Nigeria yọ kan jí. Ara wọn Spanish country. Politician Nigeria yọ kan tó jí. Owó yẹn ni wọ́n fi maintain ìlú yẹn di machine sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Politician yọ kan péré. Politician yọ kan péré. Owó tí yes, Tinubu is in France for now. On the February kí ọba tó dé, owó tí politician ẹyọ kan jí, politician ẹyọ kan péré ni wọ́n fi run ní country, odidi country, a whole country. Ẹ ṣé bàbá mi, you get it right, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ẹ gbà. You see, a whole country, politician obìnrin tún ní o, kì í ṣọkùnrin o, obìnrin tó láyà, owó wà níbi yẹn. Politician ẹyọ kan obìnrin, owó tó gbé tí wọ́n fi rán lọ a whole country. Abacha kọ́ o, obìnrin ni, obìnrin ẹyọ kan. Ẹ wo Abacha ni wọ́n fi rán many countries in the world. Yet ẹ wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn, minimum wage 30,000, slice of bread 1,000, ẹja kote 600 àbí 500, Titus 700. Are you kidding me? Okanlomo, ohun tó kàn kọ́ yẹn. I am not, lókùn mi ò bú ẹ. I am not here to fight you. Alápáké ni mí. Alápáké ò ní mí. Mi ò lè jà. I am not here to fight. But nǹkan tó kàn kọ́ yẹn. The Truth TV bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ kọ́là kó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ kó kọ́là. Ẹ gbé ẹ Sunday Igboho ti tú o. Ẹ wo Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ tèmi o. Yorùbáwùyí ni mò ń jẹ́. I know many Afa will still come out for this. Go ahead and do it. Ẹ fẹ́ trend ni náà fẹ́ jẹun. Kò sówó. Ẹ tó máa wá ṣiṣẹ́ Afa lọ́dọ̀ ẹ tó máa wá yẹ nǹkan wò. Ebi ń pò òun náà. Ẹ̀yin náà tó pẹ́ lọ sí ilé kéwú. Ẹ máa fi ilé kéwú lọ ṣe lọ máa fi ṣiṣẹ́ ní kí ló pè lọ́spítà. Ṣé kéwú ṣe mo lọ lé kéwú ó ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́spítà. Ṣó lè ṣiṣẹ́ ní kóòtù. Ẹ̀yin náà fẹ́ jẹun ni. Yorùbáwùyí agúnmu òwò. Sunday Igboho agúnmu òwò. Ẹ̀yin náà fẹ́ jẹun. Ẹgẹ́ lọ́tún ló sì ẹgẹ́. Fídíò yẹ ẹ pieces ẹjọ́ kọ́tà ń jọ àwọn ní kọ́tà ń jọ ní sọnù. Ẹ pieces ẹjọ́ ní papọ̀. Ẹ mú mi bú. Ẹsẹ̀ ebúdì náírà kẹrìnún náà. Ẹsẹ̀ ebúdọ̀ ọmọ ọ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀ pè ránṣẹ́. Tó bá wùn ní kẹ́ sọ́dà. Àmọ́ tèmi ni wípé if care is not taken in Nigeria, the rich will be coming richer, while the poor will be coming poorer. Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi. Yorùbáwùyí ni mò ń jẹ́. I am the one and only Akalolu of Yoruba land. Adáwọ̀nlẹ̀ Yorùbá, ọmọ jọmọ lọ. Somebody's status is 1,170 naira. Ó ti ẹ̀ ti dábẹ́. Ọlọ́run aṣọ́pàdé wa o. Ànídàm, ẹ bá mi share video yìí. Bí ó lè kọ àwọn tó yẹ kó kàn lára. Bóyá wọ́n lè ṣàtúnṣe fún wa pé ebi ń pa wá. Ìlú tàwa, we are not convenient. We want to come back to our land. Bó jẹ́ iṣẹ́ oko ká máa ṣe. Bó jẹ́ iṣẹ́ oko ká máa ṣe. Bó kí gbẹ̀yìn tẹ́ ń kí mi, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ according to the time. Mo kí gbogbo yín. Ẹ̀yin young fans ẹ lọ ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ lọ ṣiṣẹ́, Ànábì náà ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ lọ ṣiṣẹ́, Ànábì ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ bá dẹ̀ pé iṣẹ́ content kẹ̀kẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí internet náà iṣẹ́ ni o. If you want to be a content creator in Islamic way, please go ahead, do it. You will get paid. You don't need any propaganda. You will get paid. Go on the internet, make content creator, create a content in an Islamic way. Make it fun. If I want for I don't know. Make some things that will invite more people to Islam. Make it in a funny way. You can just sit down and think, what can I do? I am a Muslim and I want to promote my Islam, my religion. And which way? Make a content. Just make a content. The same way they will deceive you. And don't be a politician are going to see Mecca. That's 10 million over Mecca. I bet on Mecca 5 million, I bet 4 million for Mecca. And don't be a idea my work down with resi. You see your life? I won't look in Nigeria on your one. None of Nigerian politicians will want no. Could they share with Latin in the next year? Could they move? Yes. You pay you the share la one. You pay you the share. You pay you the share ni. To your carry on share on ni. Okobo wani ko wa bon kan. Oni ami le bon kan. Oṣù mo le bo gba igba abẹ́rẹ́ lókun. Ẹ̀yin jẹ́ ko mu na lọ. Ẹ fún mi ní abẹ́rẹ́ 2 million. Ah, tí mo bẹ̀ sí ní ti owu bo báyìí mo máa bọ̀. Ani o wa bon kan gidi ani o wa bọ̀. Okobo le bon kan o. Abẹ́rẹ́ ló fẹ́ bọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ̀rọ̀ yín ṣe rí Nigeria. Ọlọ́run àṣàánú yín. God bless you. Thank you. I love you so much. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Ẹ má bínú ogbo tí má gbà ṣe nínú show yìí. Ẹ má bínú torí Ọlọ́run mi ò lè já o. I love you. I love you. I love you. Love you forever. Thank you so much, Papa. Ẹ ṣé gan mo dúpẹ́.